Welcome to this SmartFlow overview. SmartFlow is a business process management system. Project managers use SmartFlow to choreograph the flow of job bags and case files between task performers who collaborate with team members to complete assigned tasks. Where's the job bag for that new product launch? Have you seen the ABC case file? How much time do project managers waste looking for a job bag? Scheduling boards with dry erase markers and post-it notes are an ineffective way to manage distributed workflows. With SmartFlow, the job bag and case file are virtual. They travel through the cloud from task to task. Job bags move in real time through the process model designed by the workflow manager. With SmartFlow, a job bag can be in multiple places at once. When the reproduction art needs to be reviewed by multiple department representatives, the project manager clones the job bag and monitors task completion progress for all performers in real time. In this example, the current task is Repro Review, and the job is being routed to Consumer Services, the factory, the printer, and the regulatory departments for review. Each department enjoys instant access to the job, while the project manager is able to monitor updates in real time. Starting a project and its related jobs has to be fast and intuitive. In this example, we have embedded a purchase order request form in the CHALEX website, and this is the workflow that the purchase order request will follow for processing. So to start a job, you click the embedded link, enter the security PIN, fill in the required fields, and click Submit Request. This action automatically starts a job through the workflow model in SmartFlow. The initiator gets a confirming email with a link to the first task. Confirm the request. Open the virtual job bag to add supporting files. This accesses the SmartFlow file management service where you can drag and drop thumbnail links to the virtual job bag. Then access the Manage Tasks slider to add any comments and send the request for management review. The job board instantly updates the task assignment and shows that this job is at Manager Review. The assigned manager will see this task on their personal task list and get an email notification. And in this case, it's the Ferrari 599 GTO that we're asking for. With the SmartFlow XML form tool, users simply drag and drop form elements on a page and configure each element. Here the Start Job button is configured with project, team, and the job metadata. Forms can be associated with running jobs, and they may be configured with multiple Start Job buttons, as in this example, where a retail merchant is requesting photographic services for 3 different product categories. When a large number of jobs need to be started, SmartFlow provides the ability to load a Start Job file and start batches of jobs through one or more workflows. Project managers monitor the flow of their jobs by filtering the job board. There are dozens of ways of filtering the library of running, suspended, and completed jobs. Department managers will want to filter their view of the board by team and task. In this example, Safeway has several workflows, including one for packaging, which includes a review request task. We can see that this is the first task in the packaging workflow. Any number of personal job board views may be saved. The job board displays current status and provides instant access to all jobs. Once you implement SmartFlow, you won't have to ask, where is the job bag for this or that project, or has anyone seen the report that was in this job bag? SmartFlow assigns tasks to performers acting in roles. Each swim lane on the workflow diagram represents a role. Roles can be filled by people or systems. A resource team defines the performers for each role in the workflow model. Through this intuitive user interface, workflow managers create the teams who will complete the tasks for their projects and jobs. In this example, we are assigning job roles to groups of registered users. At any time, we can drag and drop registered users into a group. Workers can be reassigned in seconds, so if someone leaves, is promoted, or takes vacation, the workflow manager can simply change the group membership even while the jobs are running. At every given task, SmartFlow can be configured with a unique interface that facilitates the intuitive completion of the assignment. Users may access tasks through email notification or their personal user task list. All job bags are enabled with a digital asset management service. Thumbnails and preview images are automatically generated for most graphic elements, including PDF files and videos. Digital files of any format or size are supported. All users have the ability to create private archives that they may share access to with private and administrator-managed groups. In this example, the user has a job bag of files for a tea company packaging job. By dragging thumbnail images from a private archive of assets, the user is copying access to these files for the team that is working on this job. SmartFlow will log this action and maintain the job information with the asset's lifecycle history. SmartFlow also offers a variety of special purpose tools to help workers collaborate over visual assets. In this example, we have a job for Hilton Resorts to create a web video promotion with a few graphic elements. We can easily preview the video and make overall comments, or the user may launch the video annotation tool and start a real-time group collaboration around the video. Here we are indicating where to cut the video clip. This notation can be done synchronously with a group of users or asynchronously at everyone's convenience. In this example, the creative director wants to fade from the couple on the beach to the sound of the surf and an image of a wave. SmartFlow offers an integration with the Flotolia Microstock image library. Users with access to Flotolia simply enter their ID and gain immediate access to over 16.5 million images. The same galleries that they can access through the Flotolia site are displayed in SmartFlow, where the users can enjoy the speed and convenience of the drag-and-drop user interface. Here we see that the wave shot has a red border around it, indicating that it's already been purchased by another member of our team. In this case, we can simply download the asset to our desktop, or we can access the archive where it's stored and drag and drop the asset into the job bag. This will create a new attachment, and it's a copy of the asset. All assets have linked attachments that manage information about how the asset is being used. When access to an asset is shared, a new attachment is created to manage the unique project and job data about the use of that asset. Here, we're creating a short comment on the wave image. We can see how these comments are recorded, and anyone who comes in and makes another comment essentially creates a blog about the use of this asset. Selected assets can be shared or deleted. Whenever a form is associated with a job, a scanned copy is automatically generated and placed in the job bag. This acts as a permanent record to the job, and the form data may be stored and sent to another system. Here we see the video asset that we marked up. Notice that the asset status has been updated with a pink bar to indicate that it has been annotated, and the comment icons show us that the dialog from the annotation session. The project manager can easily select the file and change its status. Note the green bar now under the thumbnail, indicating the asset's been approved. Access to special tools is role-based. In the case of vProof, users are assigned to one or four different roles. We have selected the vProof reviewer role and drag and drop Ben Fox to enable him with the ability to review files using vProof. Now when we access a job bag, we note that the vProof icon has been added to those files that can be marked up with vProof. Clicking on the icon will send the file to the vProof annotation. vProof from Wiki Solutions is a highly advanced annotation tool for demanding professionals involved in exacting graphic arts production work. In this example, we will compare files against each other using the vProof compare mode. We will launch the file in the annotation mode and see how vProof sets up the comparison. See how easy it is to view the differences between the files as they toggle back and forth. vProof contains dozens of precision tools for graphic file inspection and annotation. Here we have opened a multi-page PDF file that we can view in reader spreads or single page mode. We can make a single markup on one page and apply the comment everywhere the markup may apply in the document. Files with special Pantone colors can be viewed and managed in vProof as well. SmartFlow, like OpenBravo, is a multi-tenant SaaS service. Each SmartFlow server can manage dozens of affiliated groups of companies. Each affiliate can serve multiple clients, and each client can be configured by the workflow manager with their own vocabulary of production, category, and brand terminology. With SmartFlow, you have the perfect tool to help you analyze, design, develop, and implement new production workflows and create a cycle that, as you repeat it, provides a platform for continuous improvement. For more information about CHALEX SmartFlow and to schedule a personalized demo, contact us at chalexcorp.com or call Murray Olds at 410-827-6070.